Hi guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to make this herbal rinse for your hair. So the first thing we'll be needing is water, plain water, which is very good for your hair. The next thing that you also need for this rinse is fenugreek seed. As we go on in the video, I'll tell you the importance of each and every one of the ingredients I'll be using. And next I have hibiscus leaf, the one we normally call zobo leaf in Nigeria. And lastly, I'll be using washed rice, plain washed rice. So I'm going to be bringing all this to a boil. So to the pot, I'm going to add all of these ingredients and I'm going to boil it. I'm going to be using 2 cups of water for this. Now, rice or rice water adds shine to your hair. It gives you stronger hair, it promotes hair growth, and it thickens your hair strand. The next is fenugreek seed, which stimulates hair growth, and if you suffer from itchy or scaly scalp, fenugreek will help to fight the dandruff in your hair because it is rich in protein and nicotinic acid. Next, I added hibiscus flower. Hibiscus is rich in nutrients and vitamins which strengthen the hair follicle and promotes hair growth. It prevents hair loss. At the last minute, I decided to add rosemary, dry rosemary to this, because rosemary promotes hair growth by improving circulation to your scalp. It also nourishes your hair follicles. Rosemary helps to improve your scalp health, it reduces inflammation and soothes your scalp. Please, if you have watched to this point, please do well to like, share, subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Thank you. Now I brought this to a boil so that all of the good nutrients in all of these ingredients will come out into the hair rinse. And after I was done boiling, I just brought it down from the fire and I'm pouring it into this bowl to allow it cool before I sieve, to just give it some more time for all of the ingredients to infuse into the rinse. Now, of course, it became red because of the hibiscus that I added to it. It has that red color. I'm covering this and I'll allow it to sit till it is cool. And after like 30 minutes to an hour, this is what it looked like. It was completely cool, and I'm just going to sieve this and use it in my hair when I am in the shower. Now, points to note is that hibiscus stains things, so you might want to do this in the shower during your wash day. Now, I use this twice a month after shampooing and conditioning my hair on wash days. I do this so that my hair doesn't get unnecessarily dry. Now, if you experience hair fall by means of using rosemary, it's because it increases blood flow in your scalp, which causes the weak and damaged hair to fall off, making way for the new hair. And I think that is what we want. So using this will not cause any unnecessary hair fall. Also, be sure to moisturize your hair with a good leave-in conditioner, and also remember to seal in the moisture by adding your favorite oil or hair butter. This herbal rinse is a game changer for your hair, and your hair will love you for it. Please, if you try this out, let me know how it went for you and I'll be sure to respond. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and for sticking to my channel. Please do well to like, share and subscribe, and also turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post a new video, you'll be the first to see it.